Biya Kamal ka Noor Online TV channel bana leer me bana jeling. To kon ke leer mo kon link kwi basketball ka dung South Sudan. Gora jano de kon leer mo de kon nyakel. Leer mani lan mo gwa mishalat basketball dung South Sudan. Wa South Sudan qualify for 2025 FIBA Afrobasket. Can check a part and South Sudan basketball team mensual ke Bright Star ajanan bana roi ka kwide kata danan chicken ngara mo chicken ngara ka je ki dob dana ku qualify ko je ki pass nga jam bu kon leram bana je linkel akan kono re ler kana me mi jira ma jidit kanwar online tv channel go jen o jender je nyoga nasin ko ken ka der subscribe kanwar online tv channel ko de ler content ba non ko gwas me de kan chamala shuf ka ji gwas dana pai kala rech ka jen leram me bu kono linga ban ngajen gwanu in South Sudan basketball team that kan along lan medit melat kan lan magwa kalera me kurten South Sudan ke basketball en ngarke chala do shika path ka ngar FIBA mi bawo ngare which ka Angola ngar mo ba jo ngar ka Angola gwad mi shika na shikan ga daktin ka ngwan kenero ka ngaran yam shika na daktin chu mena ngara rawde shika na shikan nga nyoko madakan ka ala Bright Star team ke basketball team la dung South Sudan shika Morocco shika na dak ka jan bakali du bangwan kan jan dioku du baro ngara me lat ka je ka shankan wan ka joka la Thursday nyok ka ke Sunday shukan ngar ke Congo DRC Congo shukan nga nyoko madakan ka jan badagu du bangwan kan jan di du badak ken shika ngar long ka ngar medin minyo da gwano ken chikalan mo gwana jen chikana lat gwata me bana detail ga bukon ka linkel ndo badanen daka na ka ja wa ken chaga kon dak ne ken yam chaga dak ken daka ke Saturday chaga daga Mali you know Mali jen wuje wal jog dien ka Afrika you know mishi pass no ke wuje wal jog dien South Sudan wajana 75 to 72 ano wa ngaram di long wa men kula to gwas me wa kan chika pas bu ngare wijen winami ka do brana chalat ke je wa biken ngar mo biken ngar ka Angola ka shanka waraw kana shanga jen dangro yidong wan ka pay wadda ron kin dangro jen dangro de je to kontinent jen ba ngar mo baje ngar ka je mone bana leran ban jeling ka to English be je kwen ya ka do brana chalat ke je South Sudan basketball team booked their place in the 2025 FIBA Afrobasket tournament to be held in Angola in August after securing a 4-2 record in the first and second round. Bright Star clinched their second qualification in competition after beating us Morocco with 69 and 37 on Thursday and thrashing DR Congo with 58 and 89 on Sunday. They have made it to the final round despite losing to Mali on Saturday. The number 13s in Africa stunned the continent numbers. Number one, South Sudan 75 to 72, and one of the biggest upset in recent time, and securing sealing the Afro basket spot. South Sudan had also lost to DR Congo 76 and 69 in the final match of the first round in Dakar in November 2024, ending the Bright Star run on the continent. The qualify began in window 1 in Monastir, Tunisia and Cairo, Egypt in February 2024 with 20 national teams and continue with window in Dakar, Senegal before making their final stop this month in Antananarivo, Rabat and Tripoli. Out of the 20 national team that took part in the qualifier, Central African Republic, Gabon, Kenya, and Morocco were eliminated, while 16 teams qualify for the final round, which will be held in Angola from 12 to 24 August. On Sunday, 23rd February, Guinea and Rwanda secured the last two tickets to this year's African showpiece. The full list of team qualified for the 2025 FIFA Afrobasket is as follow: Angola, Cameroon, Cape Verde, Cote d'Ivoire, Democratic Republic of Congo, Egypt, Guinea, Libya, Madagascar, Mali, Nigeria, Rwanda, Senegal, South Sudan, Tunisia, and Uganda.